Hi friends, I was just studying about moon. Because today we will explain you about moon, so let's start. Hi everyone, my name is Darsh.
And my name is Disha. So let's start.
The leading theory of the moon's origin is that a Mars-sized body collided with Earth approximately 4.5 billion years ago, and the resulting debris from both Earth and the impactor accumulated to form our natural satellite. The newly formed moon was in a molten state. Disha, do you want to explain it in detail?
Yeah, sure. The moon moderates Earth's wobble on its axis, leading to a relatively stable climate over billions of years. From Earth, we always see the same face of the moon because the moon is spinning on its axis at the same speed that it is going around Earth, that is, it is in synchronous rotation with Earth. Lunar terenthalite areas of the moon are known as the highlands. The dark features, called Maria, Latin for seas, are impact basins that were filled with lava between 4.2 and 1.2 billion years ago. These light and dark areas represent rocks of different composition and ages, which provide evidence for how the early crust may have crystallized from a lunar magma ocean. The craters themselves, which have been preserved for billions of years, provide an impact history for the moon and other bodies in the inner solar system. Lunar origins. The leading theory of the moon's origin is that a Mars-sized body collided with Earth approximately 4.5 billion years ago, and the resulting debris from both Earth and the impactor accumulated to form our natural satellite. The newly formed moon was in a molten state. Within about 100 million years, most of the global magma ocean had crystallized, with less dense rocks floating upward and eventually forming the lunar crust. The early moon may have developed an internal dynamo, the mechanism for global magnetic fields for terrestrial planets. Since the ancient time of volcanism, the arid, lifeless moon has remained nearly unchanged. With too sparse an atmosphere to impede impacts, a steady rain of asteroids, meteoroids, and comets strikes the surface. Over billions of years, the surface has been ground up into fragments ranging from huge boulders to powder. Nearly the entire moon is covered by a rubble pile of charcoal gray, powdery dust and rocky debris called the lunar regolith. Beneath is a region of fractured bedrock referred to as the megaregolith. Exploration. The moon was first visited by the Soviet Union's uncrewed Luna 1 and 2 in 1959, and, as of April 2019, 7 nations have followed. The US sent 3 classes of robotic missions to prepare the way for human exploration. The Rangers 1961 to 1965 were impact probes. The Lunar Orbiters 1966-1967 mapped the surface to find landing sites, and the Surveyors 1966 to 1968 were soft landers. The first human landing on the moon was on July 20, 1969. During the Apollo missions of 1969 to 1972, 12 American astronauts walked on the moon and used a lunar roving vehicle to travel on the surface and extend their studies of soil mechanics, meteoroids, lunar ranging, magnetic fields, and solar wind. The Apollo astronauts brought back 382 kilograms, 842 pounds of rock and soil to Earth for study.
Wow, great explanation.
Thanks.
So that's all for today. So if you like this type of videos,
then don't forget to like,
subscribe,
and don't forget to comment.
See you in next video.